Yeah.
This is Eileen at the Idaho Department of Insurance, returning a phone call from James.
Yes, ma'am. How are you this morning?
Doing well. How about you?
Well, my life could be better if somebody would listen.
Well, I understand your issue may be with workers' compensation.
Well,
and that's regulated by the Industrial Commission in the state of Idaho and not by the Department of Insurance.
So what you're, well, now I'm being denied access to that place. Now, because of the fraud that was committed in relation to my civil rights under 45 Part 164 by this insurance company, the Idaho State Insurance Company. So the only way that I can file a complaint against them is through the Industrial Commission?
Because it is workers' compensation, yes.
Well, ma'am, then something needs to be changed in that law. Because I'm being denied right now access to the Industrial Commission to have them fix their wrongs because of the fraud that these people committed and took those records that they received fraudulently from another state to manipulate them into my accident of 2005. Now, how do I get justice if I'm being barred from entering that building where I had a hearing at to have them correct their wrongs and the lies that are posted based upon that fraud that they committed? So it's ran by the state only.
Well,
ma'am,
it's my understanding that all workers' compensation issues must go through the Industrial Commission. So if you're having problems in dealing with them or the company that performs workers' compensation in the state of Idaho, you may need to contact the Attorney General's office in Idaho.
But the Attorney General's office is not for the public, they're for the state. I've been through that.
Oh, okay.
Already.
Well, then it sounds like have you contacted the governor's office?
Ma'am, me and my ladies took an audio conversation, a CD, to the governor's office.
Okay.
I mean, are you part of Idaho too?
I work for the State Department of Insurance.
So you work for the state of Idaho?
Correct.
So, of course. Okay, is there a place outside of the state that I can contact in regard to things that are happening in your state in regards to workers' compensation insurance policies?
Not that I'm aware of, unless you've contacted an attorney to investigate that.
Well, because of Lynn Luker, okay? Because who is in charge of, say, the Social Security that people get from your state? Because
Social Security is a federal program, so that would not be anything through our state.
But, okay, federal program.
Correct.
But workers' comp and Social Security is connected, though. So.
Well, possibly.
Well, it is.
They're separate processes. Workers' comp would be for on-the-job injuries, and Social Security would determine disability or retirement.
In relation to an injury?
Possibly, yes. But that's outside of my jurisdiction, so I'm not certain how all those work together.
Okay, do you know what jurisdiction would help me out on this?
Well, for Social Security, I believe that would be Department of Health and Human Services.
Okay, that's where I'm having my problems. I'm trying to figure out because it doesn't quite come up as Social Security. It comes up, well, it just doesn't come up. So basically, for Social Security, I would want to contact Health and Welfare. No, Health.
It would be Health and Human Services.
Health and Human Services.
But
Okay.
I can give you a toll-free number for federal general information, and they might be able to give you the best direction.
Okay, ma'am.
Who handles what.
Okay.
That general information number for the federal government is 1-800 333
333
4636.
4636. And who are they again?
That's a general information number for the federal government. General
General information. For government? I mean, for federal programs? Federal?
Right.
Federal. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. And just let Lynn Luker know that I'm still coming. Thank you, ma'am.
And dealing with them or
the Social Security that people get from your state. Because
Social Security is a federal program, so that would not be anything.
Lynn Luker, who part of Idaho too?
I'm work for the State Department of Insurance.
So you work for the state of Idaho?
Correct.
So, of course. Okay, is there a place outside of the state that I can contact in regard to things that are happening in your state in regards to workers' compensation insurance policies?
Not that I'm aware of, unless you've contacted an attorney to investigate that.
Well, because of Lynn Luker, okay, because who is in charge of, say, the Social Security that people get from your state? Because
Social Security is a federal program, so that would not be anything through our state.
But, okay, federal program.
Correct.
But